Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. It's Friday, and that means another unboxing. Yes. Now today we have, if you remember a couple of weeks ago, I was saying that I have a few art dots that are at my office. And this is the second one. There is one in front of this, but this was the second one that I got. I have already looked at it because at the time of ordering it, it was so exciting. It was something new. I was intrigued to see what it looked like because it came in a tube, and I was like, I've got to open this up. So this was around about Christmas time, 2024 just gone, and yeah, I already know what it looks like, but I'm going to show you anyway. This is one that Diamond Paintings with TM. I'm so excited to show you. I can't get it all out. I'm so excited to show you that I'm getting muddled up here. But this was one that Diamond Paints with TM recommended, and she's already got it, and it is this beautiful butterflies. Now, as you know, my love for butterflies, as Judy puts it, is going deep. Because me and Judy over at All Fired Up is you know, we really love our butterflies and stuff, and this was one that I wanted for quite some time. There is a beginner, advanced and a pro, but they only had the beginner available. So let's get into here and we'll show you what we've got. As I said, I've already looked at this, so I know what it looks like. As you can see, I've opened it up, so we'll get into the canvas here, and the drill should be in there, and we'll show you that in a minute. Now in here again, you get yourself a scrotchy. You get yourself this beautiful sparkly, it looks like it's got like glitter effect on it, blue pen. You always get washi tape with this company. As you can see in this one, they've chose to give us like a sort of pink sort of floral effect here. So that's the same one that I got with, what was that other painting that I did? Oh gosh, the Rainbow Rose I think had flower tape like that. You get yourself the tray, and I'm very excited about this because it means that I could probably interlock the other one now, because apparently they're designed to stack. So yeah, I've got another one of them. You do get yourself 2 random stickers. Oh look, I forgot I had that. It's the little butterfly sticker. We've got to do that. If we get any spare drills, we'll make something up with that. And what's really nice about these is they don't give you a schematic, so you can get really creative with this. You can, you know, design all the colours yourself with doing that. And this one again, I've already got that. That crops up a lot. So we've got that, and we've also got our love wax. So and obviously this little accessory kit, as you can see. So you get your tray, your pen, your wax, and a few stickers. So really, really good. I have signed up for an ArtDot account, so I'm going to be ordering some through ArtDot's website, because not many crop up on Amazon. And in here we have, I'll show you the painting first because it's getting in the way of the other stuff, but look at that, guys. It's something different. It's a slightly different size. This is a 20 times 10 or a 50 centimeters times 25, but as you can see, it's just got all these wonderful butterflies. You've got reds and oranges, a little blue one down there. Then it sweeps into this green, like, you know, like ivy plants that crawl up the wall. Ivy is a terrible plant because it crawls up everywhere. I think it's ivy. But there's a plant, you know, that plant that sticks to brick. It seems to get, once it starts growing, there's no stopping it. And then we get this lovely, beautiful double sort of wall of the blue, and then we get some purple here with an orange there. So really interesting how the orange butterfly has been separated from its group there, and then obviously the blue one has been separated from them ones there. Now in here you do get yourself your schematic on this side, and where it's got 24, they do tend to continue it down on this side as well. And it does say down here, friendly and hassle-free customer service. The website is www.artdot.com, and also support at artdot.com. So that's really good, because if you need the email quick, you want to query something with your purchase, you can just go, right, it's on the canvas, grab it, email, job done. So again, that lovely sort of serrated edge there, and this beautiful fabric on the back. So really, really cannot wait to do that. So that is the canvas, and I'll just roll that up for the minute. And in here, again, you get yourself the lovely ArtDot sticker sheet. Now what I've been doing is, you know them clear sort of plastic containers I use, I've been peeling them off and using that for that painting, so now I don't have to go through the hassle of like writing on a sticker. You know where we used to write them on the side of the pots? I can just go write that picture, slap it on the top, and I know that that's for that painting, and it cuts down a lot of stickers, which I can free up for other things. We do have a yellow AB here, which stands for Aurora Borealis, and we also have this sort of multicoloured one here in the P. So, and what's really nice about ArtDot is you're cutting that time of handwriting down all your coding, because they're already on here, they're stickers. So as you can see, if I was to peel it, you got a sticker there. It's just saving you all that time to do, and I wish all companies would do that. So that's that. In here we've got this ginormous whacking great big pack of these beautiful colours. These are so crystal vibe. And at Christmas time a couple of years ago, I got a nutcracker, and it's just seeing that red and green and all this just reminded me of that. And I think Roxanne has got exactly the same nutcracker, and that's one that I wanted to do this year and totally forgot. But in here we have a blue, an orange, very blimey, that is hurting my eyes, I'm not even joking, that is so bright, good God. Yeah, wow, let's quickly move on from that. And we got a green and a red and purples. They're just so vibrant, aren't they? They're not that dull, they're not too light, they're just beautiful. Emerald green there, we got a sort of dark yellow, a lighter yellow, a brown, another brown. That's possibly a 666. Number 5 is coming up as a 321. We do, oh my God, Tessa, we've got an Tessa 12. Is it 12? No, but we do have a 666. Look, number S, 666. 666 is the brightest red you can ever get, and as you can see, let's try and find it. Is it here? No, 5. That's our first AB there coming up in the yellow, and then we've got a purple and a green. And then we also have ourselves the other belt, which hopefully is the 666. It wouldn't be that colour because it's a bright red. We've got a brownie sort of colour, a dark red, a lovely raw blue. And then this one, could it be the 12? Is it number 12? No. The thing is that it's supposed to, we need to go by that number there. So there is no other red, so I'm going to have to check it in a minute. We've got a pink and a green and a lime green, another sort of lighter green, dark blue, an orange, lovely, beautiful. That blue is gorgeous. What number's that? 995. That is, where's 995? That's that D there. These colours are phenomenal, absolutely gorgeous. And we've got a couple of purples there, we've got a dark blue. Oh wow, that's an AB, because when I got this out, I just briefly looked at the colours, I didn't unwrap them, but AB in a blue, that is the first for me. Wow, fantastic. And that is going to be your P, and then 3846, yeah, that's that one, and then an orange. So I reckon that colour there, yeah, there it is, look, 666. So what confused me is I was going by the number there, 12, but you have to look for that number there, which is 666, which normally ArtDot do print the name ArtDot, and then the number just follows behind it. So for example, if I wanted to find 701, I would look at the last digits behind ArtDot 701. But yeah, that 666 is the brightest red you can get. But yeah, that is absolutely beautiful. So, once again, it is this beautiful, lovely, gorgeous butterfly, which I'm super excited to do. I absolutely love the red Admiral butterfly. And I think it's called the white peacock. That's quite a boo. Another one, there's a blue fritillary, I think it's called. But there's so special insects because they only live for about 3 days, because once they're in that, they start off as a caterpillar, and then they turn into, once they're in the cocoon, they turn into a butterfly. And we used to have this kit that you can buy on Amazon. It's like a butterfly hatching kit, and it starts off with cocoons. You get this mesh thing to put them in, and then once they're sort of like out and flapping their wings in the sort of, and they've hatched from the cocoon in the mesh thing, you just open it and let them go. Like, how magical is that? But yeah, I've always loved butterflies, and I think it stems from my mum, because my mum has a butterfly tattoo, and it's just really stemmed from there, really. And I just love butterflies very dearly. So yeah, really, really can't wait to get into this. But anyway, that's our next art doll. As I said, there is one other one at my office, but it's got to come over here, and I've got to find time to pick it up. So yeah, so I'll show you that next time. But yes, really, really over the moon with this. Let us know what you think. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and we will see you on Monday morning for the next unboxing. Until then, ta-ra.